Imagine you're delving into the world of data analysis in RStudio, working on a fascinating project that involves topic analysis. The problem you encounter is a hiccup in preparing your data for plotting a classic hurdle in any data analysis journey. You scratch your head, wondering how to navigate the challenge at hand. Moving on to the solution, we dive straight into the code provided. By making crucial tweaks like ensuring data type consistency between columns, adjusting the plot aesthetics, and refining the join operation, the solution shines a light on the path forward. With these adjustments in place, your visualization is poised to reveal insightful patterns within your data. It's like solving a complex puzzle piece by piece, unlocking the full potential of your analysis. In a nutshell, today's journey through data analysis has been an enriching one. We encountered a common problem in data preparation, delve into a precise solution tailored to your needs, and now stand on the verge of visualizing meaningful insights. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and remember the world of data analysis is full of surprises and discoveries. Until next time, happy analyzing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Who knew data analysis could be this exciting?